kung may tumatawag.
Hello?
I- Ikaw nga ba yun? Itutok mo, sabihin mo, ako nga to. You are the winner of brand new SUV! Kung nag-activate ka ng bagong dealer, isigaw mo, ka-TPC, ako na to! Ay, napakahina! Ako na to! Let's go and let's find out the winner of brand new SUV. Look at the screen and let's see and start the roll. Sino sa mga numerong ito nang nag-activate ng bagong dealer? As we verify the number, okay, tatawagan natin yan. Sana nandito para intense. Tandaan, kung para sa'yo to, sabihin mo, akin na to, come on! Tatahimik na muna ako. Let our Tatay LR do the honors. Sagutin niyo po. Oh my God! Kung meron pong tumatawag, uulitin po namin, check your phones kung may tumatawag.
Hello?
Sandali. O, kumalma muna kayo. Hindi natin alam kung siya ngayon. Ma'am, okay. Mga ka-TPC, tahimik muna. Let's verify. Ma'am? Ikaw nga ba yun? Itutok mo, sabihin mo, ako nga to. You are the winner of brand new SUV! Congratulations, Linda Nachon Nowhere!
Don't you sweat it, baby, it's alright.
Come on,
You
everybody!
were dancing through the lightning strikes. Oh, so sleepless in the morning's night.
A brand new
Now the
SUV
sky is
mula sa TPC! Everybody,
Oh my Lord,
Miss Linda Nachon Nowhere!
no, you had to make your own sunshine. And now the sky is bright.
Once again, hail our winners! Hail! And give it up for all the winners of our raffle. A heartfelt thank you to all our members, brand partners, employees, board of directors, and major sponsors for making this beautiful day truly special.